What's up, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. This is Crypto Wolf, and today we're gonna take a look about the STRD airdrop. You can see 2 months ago we had a step-by-step guide for the STRD airdrop, but they had some troubles with launching, and they were doing it on a later date, but nothing was certain or clear for now. Now we have a date of today. As you can see, the claim date for the STRD airdrop will be at 2020 November. So I'm giving you an update today, what is happening with this airdrop and what we need to do in order to receive that airdrop. There's also a testnet going on and people will be rewarded for doing the testnet airdrop. Same thing as with the Nomic airdrop. After that, we will come take a look at the Rebus airdrop, see what the price is, see how much the compounding is receiving us, and it's just a quick reminder to keep compounding your Rebus airdrop as well. Then after that we will do a quick update on Bitcoin and I will show you my longer term view and what my potential targets are. And then the last thing for today, we will do a quick update on FTX because a lot is going on. We took a big advantage, we took a big short at $20 of the FTX token and we are currently at $3, something like that. So we had massive profit shorting that token. And if you're following the channel, you should have seen it as well. As you can see right here in those two videos, I shared trade opportunities, trade IDs. Also in this one, I showed you the potential for Band and we were in a small profit, but now we are in a big profit because Band also took a dump. But let's get into the video of today and start with the STRD airdrop. So let's get into it. You will see they are incredibly excited to introduce STRD, the state-of-art multi-chain liquid staking experience. STRD will allow you to liquid stake your assets on any Cosmos chain. Sounds great. So as you will see, we have an airdrop for stakers, Atom, OSMO, JUNO, and Stars. You will see you will need a minimum of 10 Atom, a minimum of 85 OSMO, a minimum of 16 JUNO, and a minimum of 2,800 Star tokens. And the snapshot was on 19 September. You can see here in the previous video that the snapshot date was 14 August. So now they have a new snapshot date taken on 19 September. So for everyone who saw this video and took advantage and started staking OSMO, JUNO, Atom, Stars, you will also receive an airdrop. And this snapshot 19 September is for Stars, so it's not for all of them. So this one is 14 August and Stars is 19 September. So if you were staking Stars, congrats on that, you will receive also an airdrop. And we will see the claim date is 22 November. And we can also stake with Cosmos Puck. Thanks for your delegations, do not forget that. Let's support Cosmos Puck because he's also supporting the Cosmos ecosystem. As you can see right here, this includes testnet rewards and onboarded chains. Please look out for a detailed announcement to coming tomorrow evening. You can see a lot of people are laughing with it because people do not like when you say that an airdrop will be claimable and then it takes another month or another 2 months. People do not like that. So yeah, that's just something we see from the community, but we will see when the airdrop launches how that goes. I will keep you updated, put on your notifications so you don't miss out on that. So you can see they also announced the big news that they're airdropping to the Star token stakers. Here you can say that they said that they would go live around August, the first week, but that did not happen. So it will be 2022 November. Keep that in mind. You see also right here, some airdrops will be liquid, STRD, and others will be vesting. So it will take some time to receive the full amount of airdrop. Please keep in mind, if you're using a validator from an exchange, you will not receive those airdrop tokens. Keep that in mind. I said this before in other videos. And you will see same thing here. We will need to do some tasks and then we will receive 20%, 20%, 20% until we receive the full amount of the airdrop. As you can see right here with other Cosmos airdrops, every person who not claims his airdrop, those STRD tokens will be claimed back. So I was searching if we could do the testnet things, but this has already happened. As you can see, incentivized testnet and bug bounty in the summer of 2022, for which there were 500,000 STRD. So this is also something that's going to be rewarded for the people who did the testnet to help the developers get the process more smooth. I would definitely recommend to read this article. I will leave this in the description of my video. It's very interesting to see how it works. Also, they have something like an explaining. Here's an example, Bob and Alice. So you really understand how it goes. That's all we need to know for the Stride airdrop. As I say, keep your agenda, plan it in. 22 November, it's gonna be able to claim. But what you can also do is just put on your notifications, subscribe to the channel, and you will not miss out. Now, let's get to the Rebus airdrop. So let's first connect our wallet. All right. Once we are connected, we will see our staked amount right here. I'm still compounding. We just need to click onto claim right here. We just do all validators, click claim. Now I approve this with my ledger device. All right, we have approved it. Should be done. All right, claim token successfully. And now we just delegate them again to, I'm going to choose friends, delegate, click 34. Make sure you have some balance to pay the fee. Otherwise, you can get in troubles if you have troubles with that. Or I heard some people had troubles because we have the Rebus airdrop for Osmo, Atom, but we also have it for the Evmos, and I have Evmos network in my MetaMask. So it's hard for me to like claim the airdrop because I noticed when I claimed the airdrop, I didn't have any fee and it was not working. So if any one of you have the same problem, just let me know in the comments. I will make an upcoming video very short on how to fix that problem. Because I heard in the Discord, saw some people, they had an issue. So what I mean is, if you just sign out and we go to MetaMask and we are onto the Evmos, we just connect, not with Kepler, but with MetaMask right now. So you will see my other airdrop for the Evmos network, this one. So if I wanted to claim my rewards, this was at 0.00. And every time I clicked on claim, the transaction went through, it said successful. But I could not receive those rewards. It stayed here. So I had a solution for that. So if anyone has that problem, let me know. I will make an upcoming video. It will only take like 3 minutes or something, that video, just to show you how that works. But this was also a quick reminder to not forget to compound your Rebus token, and also do not forget to take profit in time if you like the price of the Rebus token at the moment. So we will also take a look at the price right now. So what I like to do is just come over to Cosmos Park, click onto Rebus, and then we will see the chart. And you can see the price to 11 October was too high because of pool 813 had low liquidity. IBC transfers enabled from 15 October. So as we can see right here, it was very high price, but this is the decent price. And we see we are just ranging at 12 cents to 40 cents max, something like that. So yeah, the price is just ranging. So we see the airdrop is bringing us, if you see, we just claimed 30 pieces. So that's around $10. So yeah, it's passive income. Passive income is passive income. And let me know in the comments, what are you doing with your Rebus airdrop and what are you planning to do with it? Are you compounding? Are you selling rewards? Did you sell the airdrop immediately, bought back lower? What did you do? Tell me in the comments. I'm very curious about that. Now let's get into the third thing of today and let's see a very quick update on BTC. I'm just going to keep this very stupid simple. I like to say this. And what do we see right here? We had a long range going on. It was like just ranging. Nothing special, nothing crazy. And this was a range that I had in mind that if we would break back below that it would be nice position to find support. But what happened? We immediately broke through. We now retested this and we're still now heading here. And if I look at this move, just this pattern, it looks like we're gonna head down lower, bro. Like, I'm not gonna be the moon boy and say to you everything is gonna come good. Please guys, keep it in mind. If BTC is gonna drop from here, we have another drop of around 20%, something like that. So a lot of altcoins will also go mine 50%, minus 60%, maybe even more. It is all possible. Just look at FTX. We took a crazy short position on that. But if you look at that, this is just insane. So this was our short position right here. I will show you. If you take a short position, it was at $22, something like that. So it was just perfect, but it's like insane, guys. It's 87% that it dropped, and like how much? Like it's not for real. It's really crazy. It's just happened in one day, and it really reminds me of Luna. So you can see in crypto it can take 1 year to build a lot, and you can lose it in one day. So that's why I always recommend to take profit. I myself have lost a lot by getting greedy and all those things. So I am here on YouTube to provide this for the community who follows me. Please do not be that person, because it's going to cost you a lot of money and a lot of stress. And stress is really not good, because this fucks up your health. And your health is number one, guys. Not a million is gonna save you if you are sick, if you are stressed out, if your hair is falling out from the stress. Bro, I'm not kidding. Like, don't put yourself in that position. So I'm here to like motivate you guys to not do that. If you appreciate that, please leave a comment, please leave a like, share this with friends and family. And let's go on to the next thing, the update on FTX. So you know my target, guys. Very quick on BTC, to be very clear about this. My target is 14k at least. So if we hit 14k, I will be looking to start buying some things again. I'm still dollar cost averaging weekly into my cryptos, the top two, BTC, Ethereum, and Ripple. Those three, the top three I meant. That's my mistake. So that's just the thing that I'm doing, and for now it looks we are gonna head lower. So be prepared, guys. Look, if you look at this chart, it looks like between 10 and 12k is also possible. Like, just keep that in mind. And this zone, I draw it way back. This zone right here, like it's from way back, and you can see this is 12k and 14k, something like that in between. And that's what I'm aiming for. And this is really not that crazy. We can even go to 4k, but we're not going to talk about that. Let's just see if we can reach this level, find some decent support, get an accumulation, and get up again. That's what we're looking for. Let me know in the comments what you are looking for. But in my opinion, it still looks bearish, and the bottom is not in, guys. It's not in. Just keep that in mind. But don't be sad, don't be sad. That means a lot of opportunities, a lot of very good prices, even lower prices that we're used to is gonna come again. So that's amazing, amazing, amazing opportunities. And I will be there to guide you through it and show you the opportunities in time. So now let's get to the last update of today on FTX. This one, it's funny, but it's really bad as well. Just listen to this. So Sam Bankman-Fried, the owner of the FTX exchange, which his FTX token is just bad so hard, like 87% in one day or something. It's insane. So this guy is wrecked. He went from 15 billion to 900 million in a day. And listen what he said back in the day.
I wanted to get rich not because I like money, but because I wanted to give that money to charity. I wanted to get...
Like, bro, this is like... You wanted to get rich so he could give his money away? He ended up giving ours away instead. You fucking clown, man. How could you do that? So many people are wrecked, and this guy is just... You're not understanding. This is a gamer, right? He's still playing like League of Legends shit, and people are putting like millions in this guy. It's insane. Like, that's the thing with a new space. You have to watch out, guys. But a very quick update on that. You will see FTX won't be getting any bailout from Tether, who confirmed it isn't planning to provide a cash injection, despite the CEO, Sam Bankman-Fried, when we just saw talking, reportedly reaching out to multiple firms for help. So this is also not a good thing, because normally Tether, they just pump money into things to help them out. But they're not doing it with FTX. So this is also showing that FTX, it's maybe a very big potential that they are going to go to zero and they will not keep existing anymore. That chance is very, very big. But there is also an opportunity that the FTX token recovers. That's something to keep in mind. Everything is possible. And what I'm also very concerned about is Solana. Because if we take a look at Solana, FTX was so hard involved into Solana. And that's a problem in my thing, because you can see that if they have so much money involved in Solana and they're going bankrupt, yeah, then they're gonna bring down Solana as well, because they're gonna need to sell those Solana tokens that they hold to pay off debt. That's the problem. Like, so I'm scared for Solana as well. If this goes back to $1, bro, or $2, damn, that's another minus 90%. And it is possible. Keep that in mind. When we were here, we also did not thought we would go from 140 to 250. That's the problem. If we go up, we do not expect it to go up that high, that fast. And when it goes down, same thing happens. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. A lot of things can happen. This was it for today. If you find this informational, if you like this kind of content, just leave a comment, just leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you into the next video. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.